Before you hand over thousands of dollars for that perfect used car, stop. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to negotiate and buy a used car without getting ripped off, even if you've never done this before. We'll cover the biggest used car buying mistakes people make, the secret dealer negotiation tricks they don't want you to know, and how you can save hundreds or even thousands on your next car, just by saying a few key phrases. Stick around till the end because I'll even share a simple 10-second hack that instantly gives you leverage in any car negotiation. Let's get started. Here's where most people lose money, before they even step onto the lot. If you're serious about getting the best deal, you need to start online. Go to sites like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, or Car Gurus. Search for the market value of the exact make, model, year, and mileage you want. That number, the real market value, becomes your weapon. When you walk in and the dealer says, "This car's a steal at $17,000, but you already know the fair price is $14,500, you instantly have the upper hand. Remember this keyword, market value. If you mention that phrase during negotiation, as in, "Based on market value, this car should be closer to $14,500, they'll know you've done your homework. This simple research step alone can save you up to $1,000 or more. Here's another mistake buyers make. They get emotionally attached before checking the car. Never, and I mean never, buy a used car without a pre-purchase inspection. Bring a mechanic or at least take it to a local auto shop. It'll cost maybe $75 to $100, but it could save you from a $2,000 repair later. Check for leaks, unusual noises, uneven tire wear, and look up the vehicle history report on Carfax or AutoCheck. If you see accidents, title issues, or odometer rollbacks, walk away, no matter how good the deal looks. This is one of the most searched used car questions online. What to check before buying a used car? And the answer is simple, everything. If something feels off, it probably is. All right, let's talk negotiation, because this is where most people either win or lose big. Here's the secret formula dealers hate: research plus silence plus walk-away power. First, start by letting them talk. Dealers love to fill the silence, and the more they talk, the more info you get. Say this line, "I like the car, but the price seems a little high. What can you do to make it more reasonable?" Then stop talking. Just look at them and wait. Silence makes people uncomfortable, and it works in your favor. Next, when they counter with something like, "We can drop $500, don't jump in excitedly. Instead, calmly reply, "I appreciate that, but based on my research and the car's market value, I was thinking closer to $14,500. Now they know you're serious. And here's the golden move, the walk-away power. If they won't budge, thank them for their time and actually walk away. Dealers know that once you leave, the deal might die, and 80% of the time, they'll call you back or lower the price on the spot. That's negotiation psychology 101, and it works even in private sales. Want to make your negotiation even stronger? Try these quick hacks. 1. Bring your own financing. If you already have a pre-approved loan from your bank or credit union, you can skip all the dealer's extra fees and interest markups. 2. Ask about out-the-door price. Don't negotiate the sticker price. Always say, "What's the out-the-door price?" That includes taxes, registration, and hidden dealer fees. 3. Go car shopping at the right time. The best time to buy a used car is near the end of the month or during holiday weekends when dealers are desperate to hit their quotas. And if you can, shop on a rainy day or a slow weekday. Fewer buyers means more motivation for them to deal. All right, I promised you a 10-second hack. Here it is. Before you start negotiating, pull out your phone and record a short walk-around video of the car. Say, "Just taking a quick video before we discuss the price, in case I need to compare later." You're not threatening, but psychologically, they'll know you're a careful, informed buyer who might post a review or compare other deals. Suddenly, they treat you very differently, and often give you a better price up front. It's subtle, but powerful. So there you have it, how to negotiate and buy a used car without getting ripped off. You've learned how to research prices, inspect the car, handle dealer tactics, and use negotiation psychology to your advantage. If you got value from this, hit that like button because more people need to know how to protect their money like this. And if you're shopping for your next ride, drop a comment below with the car you're considering. I'll reply with the average fair price and a few smart negotiation lines you can use. Until next time, drive safe, buy smart, and never pay more than you have to.